Hi guys, hi, hope you're all doing well guys. I don't know how I've started that high guys. Anyway, welcome back to another cooking video guys. If you are a new subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you always click on my videos, kisses to you guys. So guys, in today's video, I don't know why the lighting is so bad. I don't understand that. Anyway, so in today's video guys, we're going to do maini, or latha the liver guys. You see the way mine is fresh. Immediately I bought it on, when was it, imekaka kidogo, but I had put it in the fridge so that it can be easier for me to get rid of the membrane guys. I know you all know that membrane that makes the maini be a bit chewy or something. So guys, I've already gotten rid of my membrane, and I'm going to use the mixed spices, the black pepper, and the garam masala here guys, and of course cooking oil, and I'm going to also use a Royco cube. It's just that I've not placed it here. Imeclick kwa mind yangu saizi as I'm recording. So guys, our first step we're going to do is we're going to soak this liver in some milk to get rid of the bitter aftertaste that I know you know guys, that maini, it always has that bitter taste after ukichiu ama after ushachiu. So that's what we want to get rid of. Yes guys. So guys, as I said, we're going to soak it for about 30 minutes and make sure that the milk covers the liver like that, and then we're going to cover this and wait for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the onions and the nyanyas. Hope you enjoyed the video guys, and remember, as you're watching the video, make sure you like it. So guys, it's actually about 20 minutes, jangoja 25 minutes, and now I want to start cooking these maini guys for you to see. Okay. guys, you have your maini here, some greens here, and ugali guys. So make sure guys you try my recipe, tag me on Instagram. I'm going to put the handle there guys, and see you in the next video guys. I love you guys.